Latest on Elizabeth Holmes. The Theranos founder was convicted of defrauding investors into her blood testing startup. Was expected to report to prison today for an 11-year sentence, but she's holding that off with an 11th hour appeal. Rebecca Jarvis back with that story. Good morning, Rebecca.
Hey, George, and with this story, it seems there is always a curveball, and Elizabeth Holmes, who recently gave birth to her second child, was supposed to report to prison today, but that's not going to happen anymore.
It was supposed to be the first day behind bars for Theranos' Elizabeth Holmes, now a mother of two, after the birth of her second child just months ago. But thanks to a last-minute appeal, the disgraced Silicon Valley founder remains free, at least for a little longer.
Elizabeth's attorneys have and continue to really fight till the death. They are doing everything, using every tool in their toolbox to advocate for their client.
At the 11th hour, attorneys for Holmes filing a motion challenging a district court's decision to deny her request to stay out of prison while her case is pending appeal. Holmes' 11-year sentence automatically stayed as a result. Earlier this week, the 39-year-old spotted by DailyMail.com in San Diego, the hometown of her partner, hotelier Billy Evans. The two seen in this photo walking with 2-year-old son William. Holmes in sweatpants, a sun hat, and flip-flops, carrying the couple's newborn daughter, Invicta, born in February. The images a stark contrast to the Elizabeth Holmes the public originally came to see.
We've made it possible to run comprehensive laboratory tests from a tiny sample or a few drops of blood.
Once the world's youngest female self-made billionaire, Holmes claimed her technology could run hundreds of tests with just a few drops of blood. But it couldn't. Holmes was convicted of 4 counts of fraud and conspiracy in January 2022. Holmes, who appealed that conviction last week, will soon find out if this latest appeal lets her remain free during that process, which can last years.
It's highly unlikely in these types of circumstances for an appeals court to rule that a convicted defendant can stay out pending her appeal. The standard is that the government was lacking evidence to such a degree that it is likely that an appeals court would overturn the conviction. That just doesn't happen very frequently.
So the government now has 10 days to respond to Holmes' motion, and then the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals decides whether or not she can remain free during that appeals process. Keep in mind, her former boyfriend and Theranos COO, Sunny Balwani, filed this same kind of appeal, but ultimately it just delayed his sentence for about 3 weeks. He reported to prison last week, and the legal analysts we talked to, guys, expect the same outcome for Elizabeth Holmes. Guys?
All right. Thank you so much, Rebecca.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.